Hey, this is the DJI Mini 4. My name's Rob, and I tested the limits and features of the DJI. Okay, so the first test was tracking, auto tracking. You can see here that it's staying in one fixed position and it will track you from a fixed position. So it's tracking Mark here as he walks around. It doesn't actually move, but it can also follow you if you change it. It's called active track. Now, this one here is called point of interest, where it zooms around you at 360 degrees. It also can go around cars, and it's great for homes, and real estate agents use that one a lot as well. Now this one is called Spotlight. Again, this is another example of Spotlight, where I'm actually moving around and the drone's tracking me and the drone is staying in a fixed position. That worked beautifully as well. You can do all these tracking features right here. You can see on the controller, it just takes a quick second. So that was working beautifully. Then we tested it against big winds. So you can see here that it's trying to stay stable. It was very windy and it's kind of wobbling there, but it actually was staying very, very stable, and the camera footage was beautiful. It's actually, because it has a gimbal, the film footage wasn't affected at all. Look how windy it is, but it's still managing to stay in one spot. It did have a little bit of trouble tracking me at around 6:30 here. You can see the sun is starting to go down, so the lighting is being affected, and it has trouble tracking you if there's low lighting. So you want to make sure that you have lots of light. That's the only thing negative I could say about it, but other than that, the tracking features work beautifully and the auto flight features work beautifully. There's 8 different ones you can choose from, and more than I can fit into this video, but they all worked really, really well. So I was really impressed. And hopefully this helps you on your decision on getting your next DJI Mini 4.